Hey guys, one of the features I talked about was expert agents. So you're going to think about this like a chatbot kind of thing for your programs. So this can be right now they have a teaching assistant and a sales assistant, and they are just as you imagine. The teaching assistant can be embedded into your community's courses and helping you teach, basically, being that touch point in between, you teaching live or getting bombarded with questions on social media, email, etc. Sales, I'm so excited for this because I'm thinking of embedding this into your homepage and people saying, okay, like what? This is where I'm at. What's the best offer for me to start with? Or like, what's the best bang for my buck? Where should I start? I'm new here. Where should I start? Right? Beautiful. I want everyone to do this today. You have to request an agent. I've already gone through. It just brings you through a type form. It's just a couple questions, I think like 8 questions or something. And fill it out so that when they do release these, hopefully we are going to be the first ones to get it. And then we're going to build it together. So you just need to go into your Kajabi, find agents, request an agent, and fill out the form. Melanie says bye.
Yay!